Is it extinct or
Not.
not extinct? All right, that brings us to extinct or not extinct, Kenny. So, Kenny, I thought this would be a great spot for a game. I'm going to give you an animal, and you're going to tell me whether or not it is extinct or not extinct. Sound good? This sounds easy. So,
Can I
we'll
ask
start
what
it
the
out with
heck?
something pretty easy. The dodo bird.
Ah, the dodo bird. It's my favorite bird.
Is it extinct or
Not
not extinct?
not extinct. No, not.
Oh no, Kenny, no. It's been extinct for a while.